Hi everyone, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Crafting and Cooking. And today we are going to be cooking. We are actually going to be baking something for my little dog named Cookie. And here she is right here. She is incredibly spoiled, very much loved by so many people. And so today we're going to be making her some homemade biscuits, and that's actually going to be her Christmas gift. So we're really excited to make those for her. She's already kind of dug into them. Of course, because like I said, she's spoiled. So as you can see here, she absolutely loves them, and they're very easy to make. Very little ingredients are in there, but I do try to go for the organic ones, like the organic pumpkin and the organic peanut butter. So just stay tuned for that and you will see how easy this is. So again, I am grateful that you all are here. I hope that you are having a wonderful holiday season and that you are enjoying your Christmas and getting ready to end this year and go into a new one. So again, wishing you the absolute best, and I will see you all next time. But for now, let's go ahead and cook. Okay, so first things first, we're going to make some oat flour, and we're just going to be using the Quaker Oats Quick 1 Minute Oats. It's the instant ones, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw them in a blender. Okay, so as you can tell, the oats have been completely ground up and we now have our oat flour. So let me go ahead and measure this out. It's going to be 2.5 cups. Okay, so as you can see, I have measured out 2.5 cups of oat flour. And to that, I am going to go ahead and add 1/2 cup of pumpkin. And as you can tell, it's organic. So we're going to go ahead and add that to our flour. Okay, so here is my 1/2 cup of pumpkin. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. As you can tell, it is organic and it is just pure dark roasted peanut butter. So we are going to go ahead and do that. There is one ingredient that you want to make sure that your peanut butter does not have, and that's xylitol, because that is not good for your dogs. So we are going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, so next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now I did pour it out of the jar. A lot of times when you have the all-natural organic peanut butter, it tends to separate, so it just made it a lot easier to pour it in a bowl and mix it all up. Okay, so to this I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs. Okay, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so next let's go ahead and mix this up and make our dough. Okay, so now that our dough has been completely mixed, you can see it's like a little sticky, but we're going to go ahead and roll this all out. Okay, so using some of that same oat flour, I actually ended up grinding just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my little workstation, and then I'm going to roll out the dough. Now I did find dog biscuit cookie cutters, and I found them at Michael's. So I'm actually going to be just using one that looks like the dog bone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place the dough here. Now I'm also going to sprinkle just a little bit more on top, just so that it does not stick to the rolling pin. So let's go ahead and flatten this out and we will start rolling. Let me add a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the dog bone one. And then just cut out the little biscuits. Okay, let me go ahead and put these on the baking sheet. Okay, so I went ahead and floured up the table again, my work area, and so this is the dough that's left over. I am going to go ahead and roll this one out. Okay, so here are the 2 trays. Each one has 9 of the dog biscuits using the this particular mold that looks like a bone. And I still have some more dough left over, so I'll be rolling that out and baking it when these are done. Let's go ahead and pop these into the oven. Now I am setting the temperature at 350 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and put this for 35 minutes. Okay, so now that they are baked, I'm going to go ahead and leave them on the cooling rack until they are completely cooled. Okay, so the very last portion of the dough that I had, I ended up rolling it a little thin, and as you can tell, they ended up curling versus these lay flat. So you definitely want to have a little bit of thickness to them, but if they are thin, they will curl. Okay, so now that the biscuits have cooled, I'm going to go ahead and pop them into this really cute container that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. How cute is this lid? Anyway, so let's go ahead and put these in here. Now, something like this would make a great gift for friends or family who have wonderful little pets. And again, if you use organic ingredients, of course, you want to make sure that they don't have any kind of allergies, but this is really a great gift idea. And there you have it, a very easy recipe to make your very own homemade dog biscuits. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you all next time. Thank you all for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.